Hello everyone. So in this video we're gonna see the capacitor symbols. So as you can see here we have many symbols here. Okay, so these symbols, as you can see, these 6 symbols is for polarized capacitor, and these 3 symbols is for no polarized capacitor. Okay, so for polarized capacitor it has the plus and minus, so you can find this kind of symbol, as you can see, with plus here, and also we can find this kind of capacitor without plus and minus, but always the top terminal is the plus. Okay, also this is a polarized capacitor, plus and minus. Also this, plus and minus. And for this also, okay? So basically all these are polarized capacitor. So this 2 symbols is a U key symbols, and those are a US symbols. Okay, but the most used symbol for the polarized capacitor is this. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, and over here we have a non-polarized capacitor, as you can see. So this is for ceramic capacitors. Okay, so as you can see here, these 3 capacitors, as you can see, this is tantalum capacitors, as you can see, a polarized capacitor, and this is electrolytic capacitor, and over here we have ceramic capacitor. Okay, so this symbol is for the ceramic capacitors, and these 3 symbols are for polarized capacitors, as you can see. And here, if you focus, so this is the capacitance of this capacitor, 470 microfarad. Okay, this also, as you can see, we have 17 microfarad, and we have 16 volts. And for this kind of capacitor, we have here 100 microfarad and 50 volts.